Hi, I'm Nicholas from MasterChef Singapore. Today I'm going to use Thermomix TM6 to do sous vide cooking. Well, we have heard about top restaurant and chef using sous vide for cooking. With TM6, you can now have this fusion cooking at the comfort of your own home. Okay, first of all, we have salmon here, already prepared, cut in slice. Some salt. Okay, just lightly rub on it. Place the salmon nicely into the bag. Some time. Okay, pour some olive oil inside. Seal the bag. Make sure that all the air is out. We have parcel here. Put the fish inside nicely. And put it into the bowl here. Well, now the next step is just pour the water over on it. Now, covering the lid, and you can start to prepare cooking. Now we're going to start the sous vide mode. It's so precise that I can go for 51 minutes here and 49 degrees. Once you got there, you just start cooking. Well, right now, I think the sous vide salmon is done. Look at it, nice color. I'm going to do the plating right now.